In this video, we're going to show you how to make your bed smart. Hi, I'm Justin from Simply Smart, and this is my wife, Lyra, in her first appearance in a video. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make your bed smart, and basically what will happen is each side will be a sensor, so SmartThings will know when you're in bed or not in bed, and then you can do all kinds of different automations with that information. So the first thing you need is a sleep number bed. Now these are pretty much the best bed that you can buy. Do you agree?
Yeah, I do agree. I love our sleep number beds. So if you guys are looking for a bed, I highly recommend looking into these ones.
Yeah, and we'll leave a link in the video description that will get you special insider deals. So let's show you a little bit on the app of what it shows, or what the sleep number bed does. So the sleep number bed, it tells you a sleep score, and obviously it allows you to change the softness and hardness of the bed. So I'm on my screen now, and my sleep score last night was 70. My best is 98. Obviously 100 is the top, and my average is 72. So I didn't sleep the best last night. And then it's going to show you all the times that you were restless, and when you got out of bed, and how long it was. It's also going to keep track of your biometrics, so it's going to tell you your breaths per second and your heart rate, which is pretty cool. And it's going to do more goals and track activities and stuff like that. We don't really use that, but we definitely adjust the bed. And the bed that we got actually has the responsive air. So when you get in, the bed is harder, and then it slowly softens up, so you can really feel that what it's doing. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool, yeah. Obviously, he's a much better sleeper than me, and I think it's very interesting to be able to see that. So there's numbers, and I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, when we first got it, we had competitions on who could have the best overall sleep. So
he won.
I pretty much won. So you're going to have a sleep number bed for this to work. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go up to the computer and get a smart app installed, and then also install the actual sensors. Okay, so we are up at the computer, and where we need to go is this website right here, account.smartthings.com/login. And then you just want to log in with your Samsung account. Now once logged in, what you want to do is click on Get Started Integrating a Hub-Connected Device. Tap on that, and it should just take you right into your home location. Now if you have more than one location, you're going to want to come up here and choose the location where you want to install this. What we need to do is we're going to have to add a smart app. We're going to click on the smart app section, and then we're going to go over to GitHub, and we're going to go to this website here, and I will leave a link to this in the video description. And what we're looking for is the SleepIQ Manager. So we're going to tap on that, and what we want to do is just copy all of this code right here. And you can either copy it right from here, or you can click on the raw, and now it's just going to show you a blank page with basically all of the code on it. So all you have to do on your keyboard is hit Control-A, and it will select everything. Once that's selected, we just need to right click and click copy, and go back over to our SmartThings. Now on your Smart App tab, you want to go over to the blue button where it says plus new SmartThings app. Tap on that, and then we're just going to say from code, and we're going to go ahead and right click and paste in all of the code that we just copied from GitHub. And all we have to do is hit create, and now it says that it has created the smart app. and then all you have to do is click on Save, and click on Publish, and click on For Me. And now you can see that it says our smart app has published successfully. So now if we go back into our smart app section, you can see that it has added that smart app here. Now I've already added it previously, and this is the one that I'm going to be using. And I actually did link it to a GitHub repository. That way I can be sure that it's always stayed up to date. If you don't know how to use GitHub, I do have another video on that, and I will leave a link in the video description on how to get that set up. Alright, so now we have to set up the smart app and the sensors real quick. So all you need to do is go to your SmartThings app and go to the automation tab at the bottom and the smart app tab at the top. Then you just need to go down and click Add a Smart App, and just go down to My Apps at the bottom. And now we just need to find the SleepIQ Manager. We need to tap on that. And then here is where you're going to log in with your SleepIQ credentials. So let's go ahead and log in. And you can also set your refresh interval. So say if you wanted it to react pretty quickly, you can actually change this to maybe say 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes it will check to see if someone is in the bed or has left. So now we just need to assign a name. So let's just call this SleepIQ. And you can also say for this to only work in specific modes. So let's go ahead and choose the modes here. So we're only going to have this respond if we are home or if it's night. So if we're away and the dogs get on the bed, we don't want them to start running automations when we're gone. So home and night is what we want. So we're going to go and hit done there. And we should just be able to hit save now. And now what's happening is it's putting it into our smart app section. So now under our smart app section on the automation tab, you can see that we have SleepIQ here. So if we go into there, this is going to have basically everything that we've already set up. And what we need to do is create the 4 devices. We need to find the bed. So we have 2 beds. The top bed is the one that's upstairs, and our bed is the second one here that ends in 2785. So all we need to do is fill in the description and create these 4 different sensors. So both sides, we're going to tap on that and we're going to type in we're going to do Sleep 360, Justin and Lyra. So we're going to have them all start with Sleep 360 so they all show up in the app together. We're going to go ahead and tap done there. And then all we need to do is tap the bottom part where it says create device. And hit done. And now we just need to do the other 3, either side, left side and right side. Alright, when you have all of them added, go ahead and hit done at the top. And now it's going to show you all of the devices that you have added. So we got 3 Sleep 360, Justin and Lyra, Lyra, Justin or Lyra, and Justin. So now all we need to do is hit save at the top. And now when we go over to the My Home tab, we're going to be able to find those in our list. Alright, so you can see I've already had these added, and I already added a picture. So those ones with the presence marker are the ones that we just added. And if you wanted to add a picture, just tap on it and tap on the settings cog in the upper right hand corner, and then just choose an image from either take a photo or from your library. All right, so now when we have these set up, we can go down and demonstrate how it's going to work when actually we are laying in the bed. Okay, so now we have our sensors in the SmartThings app. I'm still using the classic app because I don't think the new app is quite ready. So you can see we have our 4 different sensors. So we have one for each side of the bed, and then we also have a sensor for both of us being in bed, and then either or of us in bed. So you can definitely want to add all 4 of those sensors to get the maximum options when creating automations. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have Lyra hop into the bed.
Yeah, that's what I'm needed for this video, to be an assistant.
And then I'm going to open up a SharpTools dashboard to show you how the sensors actually turn on and off. Okay, so Lyra, go ahead and hop on your side of the bed. And I have the SleepIQ set up on a SharpTools dashboard. And just lay down and get comfortable.
Okay.
So it'll take a few, it can take, a little while for it to actually sense that she's in bed. So what will happen is when she is in bed, it's going to change a color on the SharpTools dashboard. So there you go. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but what happened is the air compressor underneath the bed released some of the air out of the bed. It made it softer to her sleep number, and now you can see on the SharpTools dashboard that she is now present, and the Lyra or Justin is also present. So now I'm going to go ahead and hop on my side, and I'll show you how that works. Again, basically the same thing. And there you go, it says that I am also present, and you can also see that the Lyra and Justin is also present. So now what you can do is you can use these sensors to set up automations. So we have it set when I get up out of the bed, if I'm gone for a certain amount of time, it disarms the alarm. Same thing when we're both in bed, it arms the alarm at night. So it automatically does all of our alarm system stuff. So you can see how easy that was to set up. All you need is a Sleep Number bed, install that smart app, install your sensors, and then lay down. That's it.
Pretty easy.
Lyra can even use it.
Yeah, and I am very bad when it comes to technology. So if I can do it, you can totally do it.
But we're gonna try to have Lyra in some more videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And what if they have any questions, honey?
If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below and Justin will answer them.
All right, and we'll see you in the next video.